Today, you'll learn about the Elementor Editor that you'll be using to edit your website. We'll cover a few topics today. 1. Introduction to Elementor Pro. 2. How your website uses Elementor Pro. 3. How to edit your website with Elementor Pro. And 4. Explaining how the editor works. Topic 1. What is the Elementor Visual Editor? Elementor Pro is a WordPress plugin in which it allows you to edit the website content via a drag and drop visual editor. All Webly websites come with this pre-installed. The editor's possibilities are endless, allowing you to customize every visual aspect of your site that you'd like. Topic 2. How your website uses Elementor Pro. Your website is constructed with pages that have been created. You can see your pages in the Pages menu tab. Each page is like a canvas, which content can be applied on. Once a page is created, it is edited with Elementor. Topic 3. How to edit your website with Elementor Pro. There are 2 ways to start editing a page with Elementor Pro. 1. From within the dashboard, navigate to the Pages on the left side menu, and then hover over a page's title and click Edit with Elementor. Or 2. Upon logging in, visit your website in a new tab. Hover over the top and click Edit with Elementor. Topic 4. Explaining how the editor works. The editor is a drag and drop visual editor, meaning you can drag widgets from the Elements panel directly onto your website and see what it looks like. Once you've dragged a widget onto the page, you can right-click it to edit its content, style, and advanced settings. Any edits made in the editor are reversible with undo and redo buttons. The editor works in sections, which you could imagine to be like building blocks. These blocks make up your pages. Sections can be divided into inner sections, allowing you to have more than one column of content within a section. To read in depth about how to use the editor, read the Elementor tutorials. You've now been introduced to the Elementor Editor. To gain more knowledge on how to use the Elementor Editor, view the other tutorials we have in this series.